window. First is palette browser and recently used block, then continuous time system. In that, port and subsystem block, and input function, impulse, output, all the different functions are there. Then zero crossing detection, then signal route, then sync. In sync, scopes are. So these are the different sources are available. Ramp input is from the sync. I have to select clock. So just clock, and for step analysis I have to select step input. So this is step function. So these blocks are selected from the palette browser. Now in this, but if it is not aligned, like this is the way connection is made, then from start this kind of output is there. So this is the same result of first or this video.